So I've got this Briggs & Stratton. It's a 6 horsepower on a 21-inch push mower. Pretty good running motor. Right now, though, today the rope frayed. I've been watching it get worse and worse, and I guess I should have caught it before now, but it frayed enough where it won't return back to wrap around the pulley. So I'm going to open this case up and see if I can fix that. When I pull the rope all the way out there, it actually lines right up with the hole there where it exits, and I can pull it, and it's just a straight shot. If it were to wrap around again or something, that would be kind of a problem. So let's see, I've got that cut. In the end, I can go ahead and pull this piece out. It looks like it's just a simple knot there. I should be able to replicate that. Okay. Did go in the hole that time. So I think what I'm going to do is tie the knot and then fuse it, because I want the knot pretty close to the end there, just like they did it. Yeah, pull it as tight as I can get it.